Hello my gorgeous queens, you are all welcome back to Trending Nails and Hairs, the #1 channel that gives you the very best in nails and hairs fashion. Today is not an exception, and peradventure you are seeing this channel for the first time or you are here to support my channel, I urge you to kindly do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that as soon as a new video is dropped in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay? As you can see in this video today, I've selected the best and most fabulous white chrome nails designs for you my gorgeous friends. So just sit back and watch this video from beginning to end in order for you not to miss a single slide. Okay? And as you watch this video, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button. Alright, like the video and feel free to share this video to your friends and to your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And peradventure this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that I have on nails and also on hairs fashion. Alright, thank you. As you do that, I say a very big thank you to my returning viewers who are always supporting my channel, watching each and every one of my videos and also engaging. I say a very big thank you to all, and take care of you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.